You see, Saba Saba actually was a very noble idea. Saba Saba was meant to bring the people together for a common cause. And this cause was change. And we decided that we would go to Kamkunji grounds, which is historical ground. This is where the last Kenya African Union meeting was held in 1952, before the declaration of the state of emergency. And that is again where, when they allowed for formation of political parties, again, the first rally of KANU was held in Kamkunji. So Kamkunji, that is also why eventually when they lifted Section 2A and allowed for formation of political parties, the first party to be registered was the Forum for Restoration of Democracy. The first rally was held at Kamkunji. So we say that the Kamkunji has got a historical meaning, and that's why we wanted to go there. So what we're saying is that if you want to remember Saba Saba, then we go to Kamkunji. I always go to Kamkunji, even quietly, but I always go there on Saba Saba Day to just go and remember the people who lost their lives there. So my idea would be we go to Kamkunji tomorrow, because if you're talking about protesting, you are protesting, where is this protest going to start? And where is it going to? My view would be the road should lead to Kamkunji. And then in Kamkunji, people meet there and pass a resolution. This is what we want, the Kenya we want. To me, that would be the best way to remember people who have died fighting for the right of the people of Kenya.